When to use Banco Sabadell savings account is a question many people have when considering their financial options. To answer this question, we need to understand what a Banco Sabadell savings account is and its benefits. A savings account with Banco Sabadell is a type of deposit account that allows you to save your money while earning interest on your balance. The first step is to determine your financial goals. Are you saving for a short-term goal such as a vacation or a long-term goal such as a down payment on a house? If you are saving for a short-term goal, a Banco Sabadell savings account may be a good option because it provides easy access to your money when you need it. The next step is to consider the interest rate. Banco Sabadell offers competitive interest rates on their savings accounts which can help your money grow over time. However, the interest rate may be lower than other investment options such as stocks or mutual funds. Another factor to consider is the fees associated with the account. Some savings accounts may have monthly maintenance fees or overdraft fees. Banco Sabadell savings accounts have minimal fees which can help you save money. In addition to the interest rate and fees, you should also consider the convenience of the account. Banco Sabadell offers online banking and mobile banking which allows you to easily manage your account and access your money from anywhere. To get the most out of a Banco Sabadell savings account, it is best to use it in conjunction with other financial products such as a checking account or investment account. This can help you manage your finances effectively and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, a Banco Sabadell savings account is a good option when you need a safe and convenient place to save your money. It is best used for short-term savings goals and can be an effective tool for managing your finances when used in conjunction with other financial products. By considering your financial goals, interest rate, fees, and convenience, you can make an informed decision about whether a Banco Sabadell savings account is right for you.